Good day students, welcome in your English online class. In today's class, we are going to continue with the study of chapter number 6 related to the topic nouns, number and gender. We have gone through these terms nouns and numbers, and today we are going to learn about gender. But before starting, let's have a recapitulation of the given two terms nouns and numbers. We have read that nouns are of two types here, countable nouns that can be counted and uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. Regarding number, we have learnt that numbers are of two types, singular number and the plural number, and they both relate to the countable nouns. Now let's start our today's topic, that is gender. Here we are having our topic gender. Now class, what is gender? In order to form gender of the given noun, you have to change from masculine to feminine. In numbers, we went through singular to plural of the given noun, but gender relates to the complete change of the gender, जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं लिंग बदलो. It means you have to convert the given noun to the completely different gender. Here we are having gender stands for classification of nouns on the basis of 4 categories. They are masculine, feminine, common, and the fourth number is neuter. Let's describe masculine. As you are reading the word masculine, it is starting with the letter M. M stands for man. So the masculine gender, it will relate to the man of all categories, maybe of animal and man, person, anything. And feminine is starting from with the letter F, and F stands for female. So you will relate feminine gender to all female, maybe of any person or animal, anything. Next gender is common and neuter. Now we are going to elaborate the topic. At first place we are having masculine gender. Masculine gender means the male noun. The male noun is called the masculine gender. It means जो जितने भी nouns जो हैं वो मेल हैं, मीन्स वो मैन से बिलोंग करते हैं, मेल हैं वो, वी कॉल देम मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, लाइक बॉय, हस्बैंड, टाइगर, लायन, फादर, ग्रैंडफादर and dog, etc. They will all fall in the category of masculine gender because they all are male. वो सभी क्या हैं? मेल हैं. Next is feminine gender. Feminine, here we see the female noun. वो सारे noun जो female से belong करते हैं, they are called feminine gender. For example, girl, wife, tigress, lioness, bitch, and peahen, etc. You can take any example. If they are female, then they will belong to the feminine gender. Next is common gender. अब कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो कॉमन होते हैं. कॉमन नाउन्स का मतलब है दे कैन बी मैस्कुलिन और द फेमिनिन. वो आदमी भी हो सकते हैं एंड दे कैन बी फीमेल ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज वाई वी आर कॉलिंग देम कॉमन जेंडर. नाउ अ नाउन दैट रेफर्स टू बोथ द मेल एंड फीमेल, जो दोनों को रेफर करता है, वो मेल भी हो सकता है, आदमी भी हो सकता है, एंड फीमेल भी हो सकता है, औरत भी हो सकता है, उसको हम कहते हैं कॉमन जेंडर. वो किस कैटेगरी में आता है? कॉमन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रेंड, आपका फ्रेंड कोई भी हो सकता है, मेल भी हो सकता है, फीमेल भी. डॉक्टर, टीचर, चाइल्ड, स्टूडेंट एंड लॉयर, ये सभी कोई भी हो सकते हैं, मेल भी हो सकते हैं, फीमेल भी हो सकते हैं. लाइक आर्किटेक्ट एंड इंजीनियर, ये सभी कैटेगरीज फॉल करती हैं स्टूडेंट्स कॉमन जेंडर में. नेक्स्ट इज न्यूटर जेंडर. न्यूटर जेंडर मीन्स जो न्यूटर है. सम नाउन्स आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. इट मीन्स एन स्टैंड्स फॉर नॉन लिविंग. इट मीन्स वो नाउन्स जो नॉन लिविंग हैं उनको हम फॉल करते हैं किस कैटेगरी में? दे स्टैंड इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ न्यूटर जेंडर. दे कैन नॉट बी कैटेगराइज्ड एज मेल और फीमेल, क्योंकि हम उन्हें ना तो मेल की कैटेगरी में वी कैन पुट देम एंड नॉट इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ फीमेल. दैट इज वाई वी आर कॉलिंग देम न्यूटर जेंडर. सच नाउन्स आर कॉल्ड न्यूटर जेंडर. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, टॉय, pencil, book, box, etc. Tiffin, any water bottle, any example you can frame here. So we see that they are nouns. ये nouns तो है ना, क्योंकि name of a thing है. So they are nouns, but they don't belong to any category, not the masculine gender, not the feminine gender. And masculine gender and feminine gender से belong नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो common gender से तो बिल्कुल भी belong नहीं कर सकते, because common gender belongs to the masculine or the feminine both. So they fall in the category of neuter gender. Now class, let's see the formation of feminine gender. Feminine gender को कैसे form करते हैं? Let's go through it. Here we are having masculine words, masculine nouns, and in order to convert it into feminine, we have to change the whole word. It means wizard, you will write the feminine witch. जादूगर, जादूगरनी. Wizard, witch. Similarly, bachelor, maid. Next is stag and hind. Masculine is this one, and you are going to frame the feminine like this: son, daughter, monk, nun, gentleman, lady, brother, sister. Like gander, goose, lord, lady, papa, mama. Here you are having two letters, mama, double M. Papa, mama, man, woman, and colt, filly, buck, doe. So you are saying that we are changing the complete word in order to frame the feminine of the given masculine noun. Next is by adding ESS to the masculine. Now if we are having these words, we have to add ESS to frame feminine noun of the given masculine noun. Host, hostess, Jew, Jews, tutor, tutoress, giant, giantess, and prophet, prophetess. Like author, authoress, lion, lioness, and so on. Next is the following feminines are followed by adding es to the masculine after omitting the vowel of the last syllable of the masculine. अब इसमें हमें क्या करना है? जनरली स्टूडेंट्स डू मिस्टेक while framing these masculine to feminine. Now just look carefully. We are seeing that in these masculine nouns, what we have to do? We have to omit this vowel, and after omitting this vowel, इस vowel को हटाने के बाद we have to add ESS. Like waiter. Now look at the spellings. Waitress, WAITER is the waiter. WAIT, अब E हटा दिया हमने, RESS, R के बाद हमने अप्लाई कर दिया ESS. Similarly, hunter, huntress, we are omitting this E and we are applying ESS. Emperor, empress, EMPEROR. अब आपने क्या लिखा है? एम्प्रेस में EMP, अब यहाँ से आपने इस वाउल को हटा दिया एंड RESS. You have to be very vigilant while framing these feminines. Like director, directress, negro, negress. You are omitting the vowels given and you are adding ESS. Governor, governess. Now you are also seeing that governor and the same similar spellings are here. Now you are omitting this O and adding ESS. Governess and ESS. Tiger, tigress, यहाँ पर भी आपने E हटा दिया वाउल एंड RESS. Actor, actress, O आपने हटा दिया वाउल एंड R के बाद you are adding ESS. Next rule is by adding ESS in a less regular way. अब आपने ESS को ऐड करना है किस तरह से? ड्यूक, डचीस. यहाँ पर आपने ESS तो आपने ऐड किया बट less regular way, it means you are completely changing the word as well. Duke, duchess, god, goddess. Now again here you are seeing that you are adding ESS, but you are completely changing the word. You are also adding D here. God, goddess. Next is by placing a word before or after. आपको एक वर्ड प्लेस करना है मैस्कुलिन जेंडर के या तो पहले या बाद में, बिफोर या आफ्टर. लेट्स हैव एन एग्जांपल. ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंड मदर, दादाजी, दादी जी, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंड मदर. हियर यू आर चेंजिंग द लास्ट वर्ड. And in the next example, he got, she got. Now you are changing the first word. Washerman, washer, woman. And so on the words are given here. Bull calf, bull cow, peacock, peahen, milkman, and here you are changing the last word, milk, maid. The last rule is study the formation of the following feminines. Now you have to frame the feminine gender of the masculine one like this, like let, lass, fox, vixen. Now again you are completely changing the word viceroy, vicereine, and master. Here you are noticing that master word is relating with the boy masculine, and the opposite is feminine is miss. Miss means girl. We are using miss word for girl. Mr, Mrs, hero, heroine, and widower. Widower means the man whose wife is dead. Widower, widow. Widow means the lady whose husband is dead. Bridegroom, dulha, and bride is dulhan. Sultan, sultana. So class, this was your topic related to the term gender. I hope the topic is quite clear to you. Just go through it once again and try to frame your own examples as well. Keep on learning, keep on watching. Thanks for watching the video. Good.